washing machine expert shares top water inlet valve solenoid secrets. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Be Your Wife's Technician today. We're going to talk about a small but essential part of your fully automatic washing machine, the water inlet valve solenoid. Also known as the water intake valve, water supply valve, solenoid valve, elbow head solenoid valve, or elbow inlet valve. Let's break it down step by step. What is a solenoid? A solenoid is a coil of wire that generates a magnetic field when electricity flows through it. This magnetic field attracts a plunger, overcoming the force of a spring. The movement of the plunger opens a valve, allowing fluids to flow through the pipe. When the electrical current to the coil is stopped, the plunger returns to its original position with the help of spring tension, sealing the valve and restricting fluid flow. It converts electrical energy into mechanical motion. In simple terms, it's an electrical device that can control the movement of a mechanical part. What is the role of the water inlet valve solenoid? The water inlet valve solenoid, also called the water flow regulator or water intake controller, is responsible for allowing water to flow into your washing machine during the wash cycle. When you begin a washing program on your washing machine, the machine sends an electrical signal to the solenoid. This signal activates the valve, allowing water to flow into the drum. Once the drum has filled with the necessary amount of water, the solenoid closes the valve to stop the flow. Without this valve, your washing machine cannot control the water supply. Think of it as the gatekeeper for water entering your washing machine. Technical specifications of the water inlet valve solenoid. Here are some common features and specifications you might find. Voltage. Most solenoids operate at 120 volts or 220 volts, depending on your region. Frequency, typically 50 Hz or 60 Hz, depending on your region. Flow rate. The valve can allow water to flow at rates like 4 to 8 liters per minute. Pressure range. It works within a specific water pressure range, often between 0.3 bar and 10 bar. Material. The solenoid casing is usually made of durable plastic, while the internal valve parts include rubber and stainless steel. Common faults due to issues with the water inlet valve solenoid. When the solenoid malfunctions, several problems can arise, such as fault number 1, no water flow. If the solenoid is blocked or stuck, water won't enter the machine. Fault number 2, continuous water flow. If the solenoid gets stuck and does not seal the water inlet, water will keep flowing even when the machine does not need it. Fault number 3, slow water filling. If the solenoid valve or debris filter is partially blocked, water will take a long time to fill the drum. Fault number 4, leaking water. A faulty solenoid valve seal or internal parts can lead to water leaking into the drum, even when the machine is turned off. How to fix or overcome these faults. Here are some actions you can take if you encounter these problems. Troubleshooting step number 1. Check the power supply. Make sure the solenoid is receiving the correct voltage before removing it from the washing machine. You can check this by turning on the washing machine and running a washing program while listening closely to the solenoid. When the program starts, it should produce a humming sound, accompanied by a ticking noise. If you don't hear these sounds, inspect the wiring or the control board for any issues or need to replace the solenoid. Troubleshooting step number 2. Inspect for blockages. Inspect for debris or dirt obstructing the debris filter or the filter screen at the water inlet port and clean it. Disassemble the components and clean the diaphragm, inlet and outlet ports, plunger, and spring to ensure smooth movement and proper sealing. Troubleshooting step number 3. Test the solenoid coil to check the coil's resistance. Use a multimeter. A coil in good condition should have a resistance level between 500 ohms and 1500 ohms. If the resistance value is too low or shows no reading, it indicates that the coil is damaged and the solenoid needs to be replaced. Troubleshooting step number 4. Check water pressure. Ensure your home's water supply pressure is within the recommended range for the solenoid to work properly. If any part or the solenoid itself are broken, replace them with new components. Always use compatible parts for your washing machine model. Disassembling the solenoid. First step, turn off the power supply to the washing machine and unplug it from the wall outlet. Second step, remove the top cover at the rear of the machine by unscrewing all the screws. Third step, disconnect the 2-pin connector from the solenoid. Fourth step, unscrew the bolts securing the solenoid to the washing machine body. Fifth step, unplug the solenoid from the inlet and outlet ports. Sixth step, take the solenoid to a well-lit table for further work. Seventh step, remove the 4 screws that attach the solenoid coil to the plastic body. Eighth step, carefully take out the diaphragm, ensuring not to damage the rubber seal. Ninth step, remove the piston. 10th step, take out the plunger and the spring located underneath it. Be sure to keep the spring in a safe place, as it can be difficult to distinguish due to its size and shape. Please pay special attention to the following points. Clean all parts separately. When assembling, ensure that you insert the spring into the solenoid piston first, before placing the plunger in. When inserting the plunger, make sure the metal side is facing down and the plastic side is facing up. Parts of the water inlet valve solenoid. To understand it better, let's look at the key components. Solenoid coil. This is the part that generates the magnetic field to open the valve. Valve body, the housing that directs water flow. Inlet and outlet ports, these allow water to flow into and out of the valve. Rubber seals or diaphragm, these ensure a tight seal to prevent leaks. Filter screen, a small mesh that prevents debris from entering the valve. Plunger, this metal component responds to the force of the magnetic field created by the solenoid coil. This component has 2 sides, a metal side and a plastic side. When disassembling, make sure to remember the direction the plunger is placed in. Spring. When the solenoid coil is de-energized by the control module, the recoil movement of the spring pushes the plunger into its closed valve position. Final thoughts. The water inlet valve solenoid, or water intake valve, is a small but essential part of your washing machine. Keeping it clean and functional can save you from major problems. If you notice issues like no water flow or leaking, don't panic. Follow these simple steps or call a professional if needed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to be your wife's technician for more DIY tips and tricks. Until next time, happy troubleshooting!